Hi everyone, doing a quick walk along the Clinton River in Rochester Hills. It's a beautiful day, mid-50s in January. This is just a beautiful spot. And with the river flowing fast, there's so much erosion, exposing a lot of rocks. And there's actually like a shelf right along this edge here of a harder material right along here. For some reason that's remaining. A lot of jasper. I found a lot of coral fossils in here. But right now the water's moving too fast and this shore is breaking away. But it's such a nice spot, such a beautiful day. Well, I got to get going, so I just wanted to take a moment and share this with you. A beautiful part of the Clinton River in Rochester Hills.